Hundreds, raise your arms in the air, bring your legs to a knee, or bring it to a knee fold. That's how I like to get into it. Super. Breathe in. As you breathe out, bring yourself to a chest raise position, push and reach the legs away. And begin your hundreds, away you go. So you're bracing the legs together, you're reaching the arms away. Again, try different resistances, try them at different angles. Keep your lower back flat. What we can do for time today, we can do a couple of things. Let's put a ball between the legs. It can be weighted, it doesn't have to be, just a spiky ball between the heels. Weighted ball or just a normal bigger ball, usually a bigger ball than that, and away you go with hundreds. And maybe you can do 10 in, 10 out, or 5 in, 5 out. So let's assume she's done 100, and or you can just drop the ball, put the ring there. And again, you can either keep it still, doing your hundreds, or you can squeeze it, or you'll be squeezing it anyway, or you can bring it in and out. But again, try different resistances and different angles of pull. I'm not going to do it on this video, but I normally have it low down as well. Gets the muscles in a different way, and that's the hundreds.